A decree that decriminalizes personal dose in Colombia came into force this December. Yes, we're talking about the recent issuance of Decree 2114 of December 7, 2023, that seeks to eliminate penalties for the possession and personal consumption of narcotics, specifically minimum doses, and that has caused quite a controversy. Since 1994, the Constitutional Court, led by Justice Carlos Gaviria, decriminalized the possession of minimal drug amounts. However, the debate on the extent of citizens' rights to carry and consume hallucinogenic substances has persisted with each new government. Now, the recent spotlight is on President Gustavo Petro's December 7 decree, which aims to eliminate penalties for the possession and consumption of personal drug doses, overturning a previous decree from 2018. The controversy has ignited discussions on the potential impact of public spaces, youth influence, and even accusations of facilitating micro-trafficking. Let's break down the legal aspects of it. In Colombia, the minimum allowable amounts are set at 20 grams of marijuana, 5 grams of hashish, and 1 gram of cocaine. The Constitutional Court's most recent clarification in 2021 absolved an individual caught in 2015 with 5.6 grams of cocaine, challenging the accusation of drug trafficking. President Petro clarified that while the decree removes fines and penalties associated with personal possession, laws against illicit drug trade and trafficking remain intact. This sparked debates among political leaders, with varying perspectives on potential consequences. The political landscape is divided. Former President Álvaro Uribe Vélez expressed concerns about potential negative influences on minors and the rise of micro-trafficking, while President Gustavo Petro argued that it marks a step towards ending unjust persecution of youth and redirecting law enforcement's focus. Ministers of Justice and Defense Néstor Osuna and Iván Velázquez, respectively, emphasized that the decree aligns with the constitutional interpretations, aiming to adjust norms to the jurisprudence of the Supreme Court and the Constitutional Court. Public opinion varies, with legal experts generally supporting Petro's decision, aligning it with the Constitutional Court's interpretation. However, opposition figures argue against the potential negative societal impact and pledge to challenge the decree judicially. Representatives from the Pacto Histórico Party, such as María del Mar Pizarro and Jennifer Pedraza, supports Petro's stance, emphasizing the importance of distinguishing between personal consumption and drug trafficking. Looking ahead, the future implications of this decree remain uncertain. Local municipalities retain the authority to decide whether to permit drug consumption in public spaces. Newly elected mayors of important cities like Bucaramanga and Medellín expressed concerns about potential challenges combating urban violence and micro-trafficking. How will President Petro's decree shape Colombians' approach to drug policy? The debate over drug policy in Colombia continues. While the intent is to protect individual freedoms and shift focus to major drug criminals, concerns linger about potential consequences such as increased micro-trafficking and public drug consumption. But we will keep a close eye on developments and provide you with the latest legal insights. What are your thoughts on this controversial topic? Make sure to comment below and we'll be reading you and answering your questions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time.